x, y, right? Switch it. Okay, you have to first attack that loner, that positive 1 constant term, right? So negative. Okay, you cannot touch the positive 2 constant inside the parentheses because it's inside the parentheses. You cannot mess with anything in a grouping symbol. So now you have to go to the 5 power. And so the inverse operation to a power is a root, right? So root it to the 5th. And you're not expected to expand anything because we guys already talked about Pascals. You guys don't do that, at least for this one. And then lastly, you just go after that positive 2 then. Okay, so then you get the inverse function is, where am I? X minus 1, 5 minus 2. Okay, so then here I wanted the inverse of 2, so you're just going to plug that in. And then you could just, where's the calculator? Oh, I don't need it. It's -1, right? Right, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 to the 5th is 1. So 1 minus 2, -1, right? Okay, so then this one, switch it. X is equal to square root y minus 3 over 4 plus 8. Again, you have to go after that loner, x minus 8, that constant term. This is a square root function because there's no 2 here, but it's always implied it's square root, right? So you square both sides. Remember, those are inverse operations. I'm going to have to come back up here. And again, I mean, you could expand out the 2. That one's not a big deal, but you didn't have to. Now we're going to do the cross product. And then after, go ahead and take that last term. And so this is, that's your inverse function. Oh, it was G. Okay, so then what's G of -4? Calculator. I think that one I just did on the calculator because you get 144 times 4. It's just a really big number. What is it, squared? Did I type it right? And you get 579. So then, some of you got like 578, 577. Some of you were like off by a digit or 2, but all your work was right. Just adding by 3. Some of you guys just messed up. But all your work was correct. Okay. The table, you guys did it all correct. Nobody got it wrong. You guys just know to switch yx, right? So then 24, 5, 16, 4, 4, 2, well, 0, 0, 9, -3. So that one, everybody got it right. How about I stop the video here and just do another one with the composite? Is that okay? Because then it's going to be a really long video. All right, let me...